I'm Christine Stevens from UpBeat Drum Circles live in the forest in Palomar Mountain near San Diego on a personal retreat and experiencing the beauty of the leaves changing colors and falling everywhere, and want to take a minute to give you this month's RDA, Connecting to Nature. I'm in Palomar Mountain in this tree of 5 distinct huge oak branches, and to me, I want to connect with that with a rhythm in 5. 5 is actually very natural, like 5 fingers, like 5 branches in this tree. We start with a beat in 5 and we branch out like the tree. And for this rhythm, I'm just speaking Palomar Mountain. Happy drumming.